Welcome to the Bike Zone, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving into one of Yamaha's most accessible and reliable cruisers, the 2025 Yamaha V Star 250. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first ride or a seasoned rider in search of a lightweight fun cruiser, this bike packs plenty of appeal. Classic cruiser design. The 2025 V Star 250 stays true to its cruiser roots with a timeless design. From its low-slung stance to the teardrop fuel tank and chrome accents, it looks every bit like a classic cruiser. Its compact size and 27-inch seat height make it incredibly approachable for riders of all sizes, ensuring comfort without sacrificing style, edge and performance. Powering the V Star 250 is a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine, rare in the entry-level cruiser segment. This engine delivers smooth power and a deep exhaust note that belies its small displacement. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the bike offers a balanced combination of performance and efficiency, making it perfect for city commutes and weekend rides alike. Handling and ride comfort. With a lightweight frame and a wet weight of just 324 pounds, the V Star 250 is exceptionally easy to handle, even for new riders. The telescopic front fork and twin rear shocks ensure a comfortable ride over a variety of road conditions. Its compact dimensions and agile handling make navigating tight spaces a breeze, whether you're in traffic or exploring winding roads. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the standout features of the V Star 250 is its impressive fuel efficiency. With an estimated 78 mpg and a 2.5-gallon fuel tank, this bike can cover significant distances without breaking the bank. It's a practical choice for those who value affordability and convenience in their daily rides. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha V Star 250 remains one of the most affordable cruisers on the market, with a price tag that's easy on the wallet. Yamaha's trusted build quality and low maintenance requirements add even more value, making it a smart investment for long-term ownership. Who is it for? The V Star 250 is ideal for beginners thanks to its approachable size and user-friendly performance, but it also appeals to experienced riders seeking a lightweight, low-maintenance cruiser. Whether you're learning the ropes or just want a fun, hassle-free ride, this bike delivers on all fronts. Conclusion. That wraps up our spotlight on the 2025 Yamaha V Star 250, a compact cruiser that punches above its weight. If you're considering a bike that's practical, stylish, and fun to ride, this one deserves a spot on your list. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more bike reviews, tips, and news, subscribe to the Bike Zone, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more content. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.